I hope everyone will have an opportunity to head out to the bayou tomorrow and put on a festive beads because tomorrow is the Mardi Gras. Fat Tuesday, everyone, and it'll be cooler than today, so Cooler Tuesday, everyone. 86, our high temperature officially in Brownsville. Normal this time of year. 75, record on this date. 92, set back in 1918. Official high for Harlingen today, 89 degrees. Your record on this date, 94. That was set in 2017. And McAllen, 90 degrees. 7 from that record of 97, and that was set in 2011. Well, we've got a series of cold fronts that start to come in. We get cooler tomorrow with partly cloudy skies. Should be dry, but the main cold front comes in late tomorrow night. It's going to sweep in here Wednesday morning. It will mean some showers, a very chilly day. We could even wake up on Thursday morning in the 30s, but it's going to make Thursday and Friday for Chato days perfection achieved. 80 on the island today, 78 Port Isabel, 85 Raymondville, 87 Edinburgh, and 90 out in Rio Grande City. Here are the winds right now, fairly light and variable in direction. They were coming in from the north, then the east, then the south. Well, tomorrow the prevailing wind will be from the southeast at about 10 to 25 miles per hour. So that will warm us up to the upper 70s and low 80s. The cloud cover as well will help cool things down a little bit from today's excessive heat. Now here's your forecast. We'll expect tomorrow to be cooler, but the chilly day, the big coat day if you want it, will be on Wednesday, especially Wednesday afternoon and evening when temperatures will really start to plummet. Here are the temperatures right now. We are 68 in Brownsville, 66 Harlingen, 70 in Raymondville, and 71 at McAllen Miller right now. Our dew point temperatures are in the 60s, especially closer to the coastline, so a little bit of patchy fog will certainly be possible to start our Fat Tuesday. Partly cloudy skies through the day with high temperatures climbing up to about 79 in the lower valley, 81 in the upper valley with winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. 75, the high temperature out on the island tomorrow. Breezy in the afternoon, but not too bad. Expect a low tonight of 64 in the lower valley, 63 in the upper valley with, again, winds light tonight. Tomorrow, the winds, we'll just call them breezy in the afternoon with partly cloudy skies. 79 lower valley, 81 in the upper. But fast forward to tomorrow night. That's when things start to change. Now we're going to cloud up at about 11 o'clock, give or take, tomorrow night. That's when we'll feel the winds turn. They'll shift abruptly coming in from the north at 10 to 30 miles per hour. We'll see passing showers early in the morning on Wednesday. The good news for Wednesday afternoon, yes, chilly winds, but a lot of sunshine as it dries us out. Now, when the winds die down, we're in for a clear, dry night to start our Thursday morning. Low temperatures in the 30s, above freezing, but very cold. Highs of 69 lower valley, 71 in the upper on Thursday. On Friday, an equally beautiful day, only a little warmer. 76 and 78, the high temperatures with lots of sunshine. Mostly sunny on Saturday with highs of 80 and 83. Then those winds start to come back at us, warming us up even more on a cloudy Sunday. And then Monday, here we go again, right back to those 90s with gusty winds. Don't go anywhere because Brenda's back with more news when Local 23 returns in just a moment.